Hello dear students, in this video I am going to teach you how to use the linking words and, but and, or. And we also learn where to use the conjunctions because, so, though and as. So before starting the class, I would like to tell you the definition of conjunction. What are conjunctions? When we use the linking words and, but, and, or to join two words or sentences. Such words are called conjunctions. Or a conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. Or we can say that a conjunction allows us to combine two ideas in a single sentence. For example, number one, you see, he is regular and sincere. Number two, he is regular but insincere. Number three, is he regular or irregular? Now, first sentence, you see here we use and to join similar ideas or things and to add similar information. And in the second sentence, we use but to express a contrast or difference. Here, but is used to join opposite qualities. Now next you see in the third sentence, we use or to express alternative or choice. It means two options connected by or means that only one of the options will be chosen. So we use the linking words and, but, and, or to join two words. Such words are called conjunctions. Next, we learn how to use the linking words and, but, and, or to join two sentences. Number one, Mickey Mouse and Doraemon are popular cartoon shows. Next, Mickey Mouse is from America but Doraemon is from Japan. Next, I will buy a Mickey Mouse or a Doraemon costume for the fancy dress competition. Here, in these sentences, we see that the word and, but, and, or join two sentences. Next, let us learn where the use the conjunctions because, so, though, and as. Now first we will discuss conjunction because. The conjunction because is used to join two parts of a sentences when the part that begins with because gives the cause or the reason, and the part of the sentences that gives the cause or reason can come first or second in a sentence. Number one, you see, I woke up late because I was tired. What is the sentence? I woke up late because I was tired. Why did you wake up late? What is the reason? Here, in these sentences, we use to give a reason for something. So here, because is a conjunction. Sometimes we use a comma to separate the two parts when the part of the sentence that starts with because comes first. For example, you see, I slept early because I was tired. Because I was tired, I slept early. Now next, we will talk about conjunction so. The conjunction so is used to join two parts of sentence when the second part expresses a result or a decision. The part that starts with so always appears in the later part of the sentence. Now next we will discuss about the conjunction so. The conjunction so is used to join two parts of a sentence. When the second part expresses a result or a decision, the part that starts with so always appears in the latter part of the sentence. For example, I was tired, so I woke up late. It means the second part expresses a result. So here, so word is conjunction. Next example you see, I want to be cricketer. I play cricket every day. Here you see, he plays cricket because he wants to be a cricketer. Here, first sentence is the reason. So, I want to be a cricketer, so I play cricket every day. Here, in the second sentence, so connects an action with its reason. So, word is conjunction. Next, we will study the conjunction though. We use though to contrast ideas. Though and have a similar function. They contrast ideas. But they can join two independent sentences. Though can only join two parts of the same sentences. Let us see some examples. I could not finish the book. I studied hard. I could not finish the book though I studied hard. Here, in this sentence, I studied hard but I could not finish the book. It was unexpected. So, we will use though. I could not finish the book though I studied hard. Here, in this sentence, the word so is conjunction. Next example you see, Vani took the exam though she was ill. Vani took the exam though she was ill. Here we have two sentences. The first sentence gives us an expectation that Vani took the exam. But in second sentence is opposite to the idea in the first sentence. So here we call them contrast. It means first sentence is main idea and the second sentence is contrast. Next, let us learn how to use a comma when the part of the sentence that starts with though comes first. For example, see, Monica and Tulika are great friends though they live in two different cities. What is the sentence? Monica and Tulika are great friends though they live in two different cities. Though they live in two different cities, Monica and Tulika are great friends. So students, here we need to know if you want to start a sentence with though, make sure you complete the thought you started with though. And this kind of sentence structure works well when you are contrasting two different ideas. Now next, let us talk about conjunction as. The conjunction as is used to join two parts of a sentence when the part beginning with as expresses reason. The conjunction as is generally used at the beginning of a sentence. For example, we had the reception on the lawn as it did not rain. Here, in this sentence, As is used to express the reason that the reception took place on the lawn because it did not rain. So here as is conjunction. But sometimes we use a comma when the part of the sentence that starts with as comes first in the sentence. For example, we will take the same example. As it did not rain, we had the reception on the lawn. Once again, I repeat the sentence. As it did not rain, we had the reception on the lawn. So, my dear students, in this lesson, we have learned that we use and, but, or to join two words or sentences. And is used to add ideas or information, but is used to contrast ideas, and or is used to express choice. We use because, so, though, and as to join parts of the same sentence. Because is used to join two sentences when the second part of the sentence gives reason, and so is used to join two sentences when the second part expresses a result. And we have also learned that though is used to join two sentences to contrast ideas, and as is used to join two parts of a sentence where the part that begins with as expresses reason. With this, I conclude my today's class. Thank you and have a great day.